Ready to bring your BlazeX M3 to life? In this quick tutorial, we'll set up your software and get connected step by step. So step 1, open your browser here and go to BlazeX.com. This is where you'll get the official BlazeX software. Scroll down a little bit, you can see multiple choices here. So in this case, we're doing Windows download. Once the file is ready, double-click to run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Now open BlazeX. This is where you'll control your M3 for engraving. Click to start creation. Charging cable, PC connector. Click connect the device. When the blue status light on your M3 turns solid and the word connected appears here, you are successfully linked. If you prefer mobile control, open the BlazeX app and connect via Wi-Fi. Right now, let's power on the machine. Then you scroll back to the Wi-Fi settings. You'll find a Wi-Fi name called X2. Connect to it. Get back to the app, click connect. Then you'll enter the address in the user menu. Then you click connect. You're all connected to the machine. Get back to the setting of this app. Then you'll get Wi-Fi settings. You can set it as a home Wi-Fi. This is one of the Wi-Fis we're using right now. So set up the Wi-Fi and the password. Click confirm. Then you shut down the machine as well as the app. When you have done all these, you can reconnect to the Wi-Fi you just set it. It's 1102 in this case. Once you are connected, you click into BlazeX again. Then you power on the machine, click connect, and search IP. You'll find an IP address right now. Then click connect. Now let's test the connection. Import your first image, resize it to fit your workspace, and click Review. If your laser head moves smoothly like this, congratulations, your connection is perfect. Next time, we'll master laser focusing and calibration to make every line sharp. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss it.